Lily, what you doing? Lily, what you doing? What you doing? Come on. Come on. Hi. Hi, Grandma's girl. Hi. Hi. Are you getting sleepy?
Grandma, I'm right here.
Where are you?
Right here.
Where are you?
Right here.
Oh, Lily, you just sucking your thumb. She's
Please,
getting sleepy.
gum.
What, honey?
Please, I want gum.
Please, you want gum?
Uh-huh.
But you didn't tell me you love me. Do you love me?
Uh-huh.
Say it.
I love you.
Oh, that's so sweet.
I don't
Whoa.
like you.
What? What did you say?
I don't like you.
What?
I don't like you.
Get over here. I'm going to spank your bottom for that comment. Lily, you love your grandma, don't you?
I don't.
Oh. Lily, you love grandma. Say, I love grandma. What happened? What happened to the boy? What happened? Did you fall in there? Oh, he's crying. Oh, no. Come here, let grandma love you up.
I don't like you.
Yes, you do. Come here, let grandma love you up. Grandma will give you...
I don't like you.
Come here to grandma. Oh, my...
I don't like you.
What's the matter with this little boy?
I'll take you for sure.